For acquire a language, firstly, you should love. And for example, I can say that a lot of people, even they are go to other countries for learn a language, it is can be English, Spanish, Germany, or something like that. Unfortunately, because of they don't focus English, they can't learn English. Yeah. So I can say that example about my Spanish actually. So how I learned Spanish. In daily life, I do a lot of things for learn Spanish, like watching series, talking foreign friends, or listening podcasts, and a lot of things. Also, you should do like this. For example, my phone language is English, and extra one when I'm watching series, movies, news, podcasts, so everything. I am using English language. Yeah, for a career, I mean, you should make a goal for learn English. You can say that after 1 year, I will learn to English. You need to have a perseverance. You need to have a discipline. Not motivation actually. Because if you have motivation today, after 3 or 4 days, you can lose your motivation. But you discipline is not. If you do today, and in their life, if you always watching series, movies, or podcasts, something like that, if you're using English language, you will learn to English so faster. Yeah, like a habit. Some people they think that if I just using Duolingo or if I just listening songs, I will learn to English. But this not works. Yeah, absolutely, this is not works. You should do a lot of habits for learn English. It's not just one, two, three, or something like that. It is a lot of habits. For example, right now, also I will improve my English because of I speak English in front of camera, and I'm going to learn English. Also, it is a habit for learning English. And next one, yeah, some people say that I agree with this. For example, they say that I am listening songs and I'm going to learn English. Yeah, it is true. Also, I learned a lot of English words with English songs, but it is not enough for just listening songs. You should speak, you should listening, you should reading, you should do a lot of things, and after that, you can learn to English. You should make a goal. You should say that I will reading English books every day, or in week I will reading books for 2 time or 3 time, or in daily life I will listening podcasts every day. With this perseverance, with this discipline, you will learn to English so easy. And the second is your purpose. If your purpose is so strong, you will learn to English so faster. If you say that I want to learn English because of travel, probably, yeah, you will learn to English so faster. Or if you say that I will live an English country, probably you will learn to English so faster because this is purpose, and this goals is so strong for acquire language. But some people like uh, just want to learn English because of it is a global language, or they have no so much purpose, they have no so much goal, but they want to learn. Actually, I saw a lot of like these persons in my life, but unfortunately, mostly they can't learn English. because they just using app like Duolingo or just using applications for 10 minutes in their life, and that's because they can't learn. And Excel 1, for example, I want to say my purpose, like why I learned English. Because of I learned English, my travel, work, or confidence, a lot of things. And that's because I started to learn English. Yeah, I'm not a native speaker in English, and I know that I'm going to make mistakes in English, but I think that I learned, and I can speak English fluently, and I can speak English relax, and that's really makes me feeling so good. And extra one, some people who is go to course for learn English, but they didn't learn. Actually, yeah, in my life, I saw a lot of like this person actually also, and even they go to English course, and even they studying English, but they didn't learn. The most reason that they didn't learn English, it is they don't using English language in their life. Shortly, if you're enjoying some things, it is like play games, watching series, reading books, listening podcasts, or everything actually. Yeah, if you do this, definitely you will learn to English so quickly. And yeah, I hope you find this video useful, and thank you so much for you watching my video. I hope that I helped you a lot, and have a good day. Take care of yourself.